Oh, shit. I actually said shit instead of sheep. Hey y'all, it's Lauren Toyota. I am hot for food and I'm cooking up vegan love once again this week on the YouTube channel. We're getting started right now with some sheet pan ideas. For the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna show you easy dinner ideas all made on sheet pans. This is like a trendy thing. I get like newsletters from other blogs and food sites. Sheet pan this, sheet pan that, sheet pan this, sheet pan that. So easy, you throw everything on the sheet pan, you throw it in the oven, dinner is done after you roast some stuff. So I'm gonna show you how to make roasted veggie sheet pan nachos this week. And instead of using chips, we're using all my favorite veggies and roasting them up and crisping them up. Things like kabocha squash, purple cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and then adding pico de gallo, black beans, avocado, cilantro, and all the festive nacho toppings. This is a tasty one, super easy to whip up, and of course it contains the hot for food, most famous, most delicious ever nacho cheese sauce. So that isn't done on the sheet pan, but you catch my drift, okay? So we're gonna get started. Are you ready? Oh, sheet! First, you're gonna prep all your veggies. So for the kabocha squash, cut it in half and take out all the seeds. Cut it into slices and cut those slices in half. For the broccoli and the cauliflower, you can just cut it into about medium-sized florets. And then for the cabbage, slice it in half lengthwise, peel back all the leaves, and then cut or tear the leaves into large chunks, kind of like chips. And then you can use Japanese sweet potato like this or regular sweet potato and slice it thinly like this. Spray or coat your sheet pan with vegetable oil. Now arrange your vegetables into groups. So place the kabocha squash on one edge where it's gonna get hotter as opposed to the center of the pan. Then lay out your sweet potato slices, arrange your broccoli and your cauliflower, then give these a spray with more vegetable oil and then add salt and pepper to taste. Throw all of this into the oven, preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 to 15 minutes. Then you're gonna flip to roast the other side of the veggies and bake for another 6 to 8 minutes. Now let's prepare the pico de gallo. Combine chopped tomatoes, chopped jalapeno, chopped red onion, minced garlic, lime juice, chipotle chili powder, cumin, fresh cilantro, sea salt, and ground black pepper in a bowl. You can set this aside in the fridge until you're ready to serve the nachos. Now back to your roasted veggies. Remove any of the vegetables that are baked through and golden brown, like the sweet potato and the broccoli, and transfer these to a cooling rack. You may need to roast things like the squash and the cauliflower for about another 2 to 3 more minutes. Once they're all done, place all the cooked vegetables aside onto a cooling rack. Now we're gonna roast the purple cabbage. You can spray the same sheet pan with some more vegetable oil and place the cabbage leaves all in one layer. Then spray the tops again with vegetable oil and sprinkle with lots of salt and pepper. Roast these for 18 to 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and flip the pieces halfway through the bake time. Now it's vegan nacho cheese time. In a small saucepan, you're gonna boil chopped potato and carrot for about 6 to 8 minutes until it's just fork tender. Don't overboil the potato as it will become starchy and your sauce will not be smooth. Drain the vegetables from the water and add immediately to a high-powered blender, along with vegetable oil, unsweetened non-dairy milk, lemon juice, pickled jalapeno slices, and the brine from the jalapenos, tomato paste, arrowroot flour, garlic powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and sea salt. Blend this until it's really, really smooth. The nacho cheese will be warm if you added the potatoes and carrots right from boiling, or you can make this in advance and heat it up again in a saucepan right before serving. Serve your roasted veggie nachos right on the sheet pan and top with lots of nacho cheese and vegan sour cream. Then add more nacho toppings like black olives, black beans, diced avocado, pickled jalapenos, and fresh cilantro. I also like to serve these with the pico de gallo and some extra salsa verde. at that whole sheet pan of yummy roasted veggie nachos. Yum, yum, yum. Lots of cilantro on there. If you don't like cilantro, get out of here. And yes, I did change the sheet pan for those real keeners paying close attention so that I could make it look more aesthetically pleasing on a smaller sheet pan. You do need to roast these things on a large one if you can, so that they have the space to like roast and not steam. So if you have a large sheet pan, just eat it off of that. You don't need to like represent it the way I have here. Okay, I'm going in for a big old bite with all the things. It's gonna get messy. I'm using a fork also because these are vegetables and not chips. Mmm! I mean, what do I always say? The hot for food nacho cheese will force everyone on the earth to eat their vegetables. And now you can have fun with it like this and say they're nachos. Tastes like nachos, looks like nachos. We just don't have any chips on here. I mean, who am I? There's no chips? I don't know what's going on. I think we're in bizarro land right now. Truthfully though, this is really, really good. I love roasted vegetables. It's really the only way I want to eat my vegetables is either mixed into a sauce like the cheese or roasted. You know, I put roasted vegetables on my salads all the time. Mmm! Now this cabbage, it does come out crispy, so you gotta eat it right away. This obviously is a little bit older since I made it like an hour ago, 2 hours ago. So it still tastes good, just not as crunchy anymore. Mmm. So healthy. Mmm. So there you go. A easy weeknight meal, roasted veggie sheet pan nachos. Let me know what you think. I'm just gonna have one more little bite here, broccoli with cheese. Cabbage is a good workout for the mouth. Okay, let me know what you think of the roasted veggie sheet pan nachos. Leave a posy comment below and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends, and the full recipe is on hotforfoodblog.com along with hundreds of other free recipes from everything I make on this channel and more, so go check that out. Subscribe to the channel. I'm here every single Wednesday, and don't miss the next 3 weeks because I've got more easy sheet pan meals coming your way. Next week, I will show you how to make these awesome vegan Thai lettuce wraps. Okay, not a sheet pan, but all in one cast iron pan. So clever, so tasty, don't miss it. If you're looking for more easy dinner ideas, check out more videos. I've got spicy dan dan noodles, which are amazing, as well as grilled portobello steaks with homemade chimichurri, both delicious. Check out those recipes, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.